I'm happy I can post videos over 15 minutes now.
Are you recording right now, Ida?
Yeah. Of course he is. I just snagged some of your footage though for B&B. I would have actually brought them out for my contour today. Could have cut between two of ours. Huh?
Is it just us for
Yeah. Well, hang on. There was that other guy. I can't remember his name.
I think he's back there. Wait. Oh yeah, I do with the AK.
Yeah.
Where'd he go?
Well, we don't need him. We got 5, right?
4.
4?
I thought I was the one that was failing, man. Come on. There he is. Got him.
One more on the right. Hit!
Two more on the right! You're right!